Hello, restaurant owners. So first of all, thank you so much for your purchase. Now, next up, I'm going to show you exactly how to start using Restaurant QR. This is going to make sure that your patrons, your customers feel safe when they come to a restaurant, bar, coffee shop, and etc. Now, how do you do it? So at this time, you should have a login. Now, once you are logged in, you're going to click on restaurant right here. Now, this is where you go ahead and put up your restaurant name and put in your description, restaurant address, whatever you have. Okay, go ahead and put it in. I also want you to go ahead and put in your information here as well. You can always go ahead and try to view your restaurant from here. Keep in mind that the restaurant menu system, it works not only on phones, but also works on desktop as well. Very simple, very easy. We're going to show you exactly how. So let's move on. So let's go right here. So once you have that, go to menu. And when you are on menu, you can go ahead and click on the plus sign right here. This is going to allow you to add a category. For example, let's say you sell cakes. You put in cake right here. So save. And you have cake. Now, next up, you need to add items. So click on the plus sign and you need to add the item name, description, price. Now, if you want to add variables, once you do add the items, you can click on the item. Okay. And then right here, you have an option of item is available or not. You can add variables. Let me like this. You can do add extra. So extra could be cheese. And the price is going to be $3 extra. I can add it like that if I want to as well. And if I enable variable, I'll be able to make it even more fun by adding more stuff. So if I click on add, I can click on edit right here to cheese, tossed, things like that. You can add up just like that. Simple as that, okay? Now let's move on to the next step, back to item menus. Okay, and you can always make a change. So once you have added your items, you don't have to worry about, let's say you made a mistake on the price or items. You don't have to worry about changing your QR code, okay? Let's click on the QR builder. This is where you'll build it. So step number one is choosing your style. So this is the typical one. I like it. You can make it funky if you want to. It doesn't really matter. It's just different styles. Now once you do have that, you can customize the colors as well. Okay, right here. Now download the JPEG. Now once you do download the JPEG, you can also go ahead and download the print templates as well. Now you can just, if you want to keep it simple, just go ahead and print out the JPEG. So download it and you can just print it out on a piece of paper. Just get it printed once, okay? And then you can put it in your restaurant. You can put it as a menu like this. You can put it under the table usually, or just put it on the table. Usually what a lot of our customers do is they put it under their table or outside, where you normally put your menus. So that's it. And from this point on, customers will be able to see your menu straight up from their phone. So all they need to do is scan it, the QR code, or if you're using the online version, the desktop version, you can just go here as well. Simple, easy, and it works. It's the same thing. And like this as well, however they want it, they can see all of it right here as well. And that's pretty much it. Thank you so much. Please reach out if you need more help. Thank you. Have a nice day.